Alright, just did the tip seals on this xDS35iE enhanced. It's making some weird noise. I'm going to turn it on, open to atmosphere, and then close it up and let it run to try and let the seals set in. But right now I'm hearing a roar, roar, roar. Aside from the regular noise of the pump, I'm hearing almost like a roar, 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 roar. I'm not sure if it's their bearings that have failed. It's the bearings that have failed. This is the second pump that has failed on me in the past few years. I had to take one of these out of service last year or the year before because the bearings just started making noise, and these aren't that old. They're, I don't know how old exactly. 2023, maybe 2022. You know, 3 or 4 years old at most. So here we go. Just checking that we're recording. That sounds okay. So maybe we're good. I'll let it run like that, let the seals wear in a bit. Where's my clamp? It was much louder than this the first time I put it into service. So I decided to take it out, let it run on atmosphere a bit, help it wear in the seals. Not a proper vacuum gauge, but it's pulling vacuum more than I need. So it's doing its job.